Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript date objects. Let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type const d equals new date parenthesis and colon, and then I'm gonna console log our d variable, and that gives us this string. Now this new date creates a new date object with the current date and time. You can also create a new date object with a specified date and time. Let's come in here and type say 2018 comma 11 comma 24 comma 10 comma 33 comma 30 comma 0. Hit save, and this is something what we get. And let me tell you the order of all of these numbers. Now this starts from year, month, then day, hour, minute, second, and milliseconds. Now if you provide only two parameters, hit save, you only get the year and the month, and rest will be 00, or the date will be first. Or if we give three numbers, we get year, month, and date. Hit save, we get year, month, and date, and so on. You can also create a new date object from date string. Let's say come in here and give it codes. I'm gonna type in here October 13 2014, and we don't need comma here, and the time would be 11/13/00. Hit save, and we got exact date. On this date it was Monday, 13th of October 2014, 11:13. Actually, JavaScript stores dates as milliseconds. Now if I come in here and type 0, hit save, it starts from January 1st, 1970. And now if I type in here 1000, hit save, we get 1st January 1970 and seconds. And if we add another 0 here, hit save, we got 10 seconds on the same. Or if I come in here and type number of zeros, hit save, hit save, we got this date. Or you can come in here and play around, we got this date. Or 50, hit save, we got this date, and so on. You can also convert dates into a string. Just come in here and remove this number, and I'm gonna type period followed by our d variable, and I'm gonna type in here to string parenthesis, hit save. Now we got string. You can also convert a date to a UDC string. Just come in here and type to UDC string, hit save, and there you go. Or you can also convert a date object to a string using ISO standard format. Just change it with to ISO string, hit save, and we got ISO format. And that ends the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.